Hi everyone, Mr. Sanford here. This is your agenda for Tuesday, September 29th. This is an at-home day. We won't be meeting in Google Meets, but you will be working at home on your own. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is to watch the video notes that I have posted. It's nothing new. They're just the remainder of the notes that we didn't quite get to in every class about triple beam balance measurements. So go ahead and watch those. You'll finish those notes out, so make sure you find your Unit 1 digital notebook, the new one, and take those notes in there. The other thing you're going to be doing is completing the Making Measurements virtual lab. So there is a document posted. Each section has a link where you'll be measuring mass from one length, and then there's a link, and then there's a link that takes you to a length measurement, and there's a separate link for temperature and a separate one for volume. As you make those measurements, you'll get a little notification to let you know if you got it right or wrong, and some of them you can even get perfect. And as soon as you get 5 of those measurements correct, a screen is going to pop up with a certificate that shows that you got 5 correct. I'll have your name on it because you typed your name in at the beginning. And what you're going to do is screenshot that certificate and put it in the text box that is below that part on the Word document. And you'll do that. So the trick here is not to rush through and do them as fast as you can because you're going to make mistakes. The trick is to go slow and do your measurements carefully, and hopefully it'll take you less measurements to get to 5 correct. Okay? So once you get that done, you complete all of those parts and screenshot all of those certificates. You will turn that in on Google Classroom. You'll hit submit. Okay? So you're working on this ICANN statement. It says I can make measurements with the correct number of sig figs, which means significant figures. It's a 3.0 learning target, and I can go ahead and let you know that that is a question on every single Priority Standard 2 test. That's why we're learning it now. We're going to practice it all year long. If you have questions, make sure you reach out to me or Mrs. Ullrey. We'll be in tutoring from 2 to 3, but before that you can email us or send us a G-chat. We'll be on our laptops nearly all day long. So you can reach out to us if you have questions. My suggestion is to make sure you watch those video notes first before you show up at tutoring and go, I don't know how to do triple beam balances. So make sure you do that first because that's what we're going to ask you to do during tutoring, and that's going to use up tutoring time. So make sure you watch that video. If you still don't understand, come to tutoring. Those of you who are having trouble with the things that we've been doing in class like conversions or scientific notation, we would love to see you at tutoring as well. Yeah, and that's all we have for today. So, alright guys, good luck and let us know if you have questions. Thanks, bye.